How to install and use ReVanced Manager app. Full step-by-step tutorial. So to be able to install and use ReVanced Manager app, first go ahead and head over to revanced.app/download. And then in here, you'll be able to find the latest APK of ReVanced. And then in here, you'll be able to find that download button as well. So this is how it all looks like. So in here, click on this download button and then make sure to confirm downloading this file. And then once the APK file is downloaded, go ahead and open it. So open the downloads tab on your browser and then go ahead and click on the APK file and then click on install from here. And then the installation process will start. So once the installation process starts, wait for it to be done and then click on open. So the steps after this would vary depending on your device. As for my device, since my device requires security scans, the app will be scanned first before I can access it. Now, once you're on the app itself, you may need to download required components. So in here, make sure to enable this, and then once you head back, make sure to enable downloading that additional files. So choose the app to patch once you have downloaded that additional files. So tap the patch in the manager and select the app you want to patch, and if the app isn't installed, you can import an APK manually. ReVanced will show a list of available patches, so choose the ones you want, and then tap on the next to proceed. And then ReVanced Manager will begin patching that app. This may take a few minutes depending on your device, and once complete, install the patch APK. And that is how you can basically install and use ReVanced Manager app.